Sad news for the Jamaica national team. As informed, technically our most informed striker has now picked up a long-term injury. That makes things really, really difficult. So welcome back, people, to MG Sports TV. Thank you very much again for tuning in. Really, really appreciate it. Hopefully, you guys hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you're here for the first time. Some sad news, a little bit of a bad news beer type of system going on. As informed striker, Jamaica International informed striker Rumarn Burrell picked up a long-term injury. Let's get straight to the details. Now go waste no time. Waste enough time already. QPR top scorer Burrell rule out until March. Well, coach technically said we won't see him before March. That's what the coach technically said. Rumarn Burrell has scored 10 goals in 27 matches in all competitions for Queen Park Rangers, and he has 3 assists as well. Basically, they played 26 games so far in the league and 10 goals. Basically, you can say 0.45 goals per game. That's the average. QPR have dealt a blow. As top scorer, Rumarn Burrell has been ruled out until March after picking up an injury in Sunday's 3-0 win over Sheffield Wednesday. Burrell 25 scored the opening goal for the Hoops before landing awkwardly after going for a header and was replaced after just 25 minutes. Oh, that's tough. It's really, really tough. The Jamaica Internationals made a great start to life at Loftus Road, scoring 10 goals and forming a strong partnership with Richard Cohen in Julian Steffen's attack. He has played in all 26 championship matches for the Hoops, making the starting 11 up in 21 games. Rumarn Burrell suffered a contact injury in the game. The striker will undergo further assessment, but at this stage is not expected to return before March. QPR said in a statement on their website, Elias Shear has not played for QPR since limping off against West Brom and Albion and at the start of December. Burrell injury was one of the number of problems that emerged from the win over Wednesday for Stefan. Huge blow for QPR and significantly huge blow for the Jamaica national team. Now, currently he's one of our most informed striker, and if you look at all the striking options we have available, would have already played for us. Sorry about that. Would have already played for us. You'd see that they aren't really scoring. they aren't really scoring. You can check right across the board. There's only one other option that is outstanding right now. Just one other option. And that is Trevante Stewart. So just maybe this presents an opportunity to Trevante Stewart. It's a harsh nature of the game. Injured players come and go. It's a harsh nature of the game. Sometimes a player has to be out for you to see another player. A very, very unfortunate situation, I would have to say. But Rumarn Burrell was definitely our most informed striker. And I really wanted him to keep up that form because at least we were going into the qualifications with players who are playing consistently and also fit and in form. But that came to an early demise because now we see one of our main, or should I say most informed striker, because really and truly he wasn't really getting significant amount of games. I remember when one of the camps and when it was called, he was the main striker, basically the striker going at the games and with the most output, goal scoring output. But when he got the 2 games, he never necessarily gave us that anything in per se. But at the end of the day, I guess that's football. I really believe that's how football is. And he worked really hard, worked tirelessly, and put himself in a position where he finds a really good vein of form, and this should happen. It's very, very, very unfortunate. But as it stands, speedy recovery. They said they land awkwardly. That's difficult. Yeah, it is because as you can see, not expecting the player. He's just actually the main striker for QPR, and you know they won't expect him back until March. Then you have April, May. So basically, there's 2 months, almost 2 months leave in the season. So it's a difficult blow for actually QPR and they were in really, really good form running up the table. But boy, it's tough. So let's see what's going to happen for where the Reggae Boyz is concerned, and also QPR will address this matter. Speedy recovery, Rumarn Burrell. Hopefully, well, I won't rush it because if the preliminary reports stated that you will return until March, you really don't want to force that recovery and then now in turn make it a long-term injury. Initial assessment was that they thought it was an hamstring injury, but they realized after that he just landed a little bit awkward. Anyways, people, please do hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Can you tell us what does this mean for the team in the comment section? Do you think that this now presents an opportunity for another player to step up and claim their spot? Now you can see the interim head coach is actually having local camps. Can you make an argument for any of the local strikers to be included? And also, where else can the interim head coach search to find another striker who's actually in good form, not just because he's a striker and he's playing here, but a striker who's in form, who can most definitely help us right now. It will be difficult because the integration might be a little bit tough if you bring in a player where he's never played in the system before. But you know, goal scorers are goal scorers, so the integration aspect will be a little bit difficult where that is concerned. So go in the comment section, tell me your thoughts on this recent update surrounding Rumarn Burrell picking up an injury after come on the 21st minute versus Sheffield Wednesday. Did score. That's a good sign. That goes to show that goes to show the level or the form that he's in right now. But he's out for basically minimum 2 months. You won't see him until basically they said March, minimum March. But it's very, very unfortunate. Anyways, tell us what you think in the comment section. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys again. Until next time, people. We're outside. God bless. Oh, and I'll be dropping another video surrounding what the hell midfielder name, man? Anyways, we never mind midfielder name. The other midfielder for QPR that just recently went on alone. Yeah, John Russell. Why couldn't remember John Russell's name? I think I need some ginkgo biloba, you know? Too much things on my brain. Anyways, big up on yourself, people. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys again. Until next time. Enjoy your rest of the day, people. God bless. Boom. Outside.